I'm passionate about two things, we might say. One, studying the behavior of the political and trying to figure out why individuals that are involved in politics make the decisions they do and how they make those decisions and what influences those decisions. But I'm also interested in the theoretical side of it, what we'd call political theory, where you're really trying to think about what is the best way that we can live together. And particularly if we look at that political theory at the very beginning of the United States through the Declaration of Independence, and we start really looking at American political thought, that's where it really becomes interesting, and you start to see the foundations of our nation, and that's really what grabs me passionately, maybe, is this latter part about looking at that founding and trying to understand exactly what it meant and how we've built on it since then. What I enjoy about teaching at PSC is definitely the students. I would have left a long time ago if I didn't enjoy the students, because it's really the students that give you the energy to keep working. And when I say what do I mean by this energy? Well, the point is that the interaction gives you energy in the sense that you see these kids and they have true dreams. They have things that they want to accomplish. And they know they have to accomplish things to get to those dreams, but they're not absolutely sure how to get to them, right? Now, I can help them learn about American government and other subjects in political science, but really what I'm doing for them is trying to teach them how to recognize opportunities that are out there for them, not only to gain a deeper understanding of the content of my classes, but understand where that education might lead them. The number one concept or idea that I hope the students take away from my class is the concept that I start off with in the very beginning of the semester, and that is the idea that the health of a democracy depends on the health of the people. If I can get the students to understand that their freedoms depend on how healthy they are, then hopefully I will get them to pay attention to their own health, right? The idea is that the system that governs us, right, the government that sets our rules and regulation, is a reflection of the people. So if our government is corrupt, well, the first place you have to look at is the people. Why are the people allowing that government to be corrupt? Well, if I can get the students to start seeing themselves in that role as determiner of the health of their government by paying attention to their own health, well, maybe we can ensure or at least lessen the corruption of government, but maybe a larger idea might come into play here that I want them to take away, that it matters who they are. That's a fundamental thing when we live in a system where we govern ourselves. The individual and who the individual is and how they see themselves is incredibly important.